There are 5 parts for the chair. First is called, this is the hydraulic, this is the footring, this is the base cap, this is the base, and this is the seat plus back plus handle. Now assembling of this chair is, take this footrest and put this hydraulic in this way. Now loose this bolt and slide it. Slide this cap and tight the bolt. Now put this cap on this base and push it to fit it. Now put hydraulic with footring in this way. Now it is fitted. Now put this chair, now put this point in this hole, just like that. Now turn the complete chair. This is assembled, and sit 2 times forcefully on the seat. Now your chair is ready to use. बैठे इधर, इसको ऊपर नीचे, हाँ हाँ. You can adjust height by putting the knob up and down. This is the chair assembly process.